of United States Donald Trump has admitted that the owns a Chinese bank account. In Afghanistan, 25 policemen, including a senior officer, were killed in a clash between Taliban and security forces. Israel and the United Arab Emirates have agreed to a visa-free travel for their citizens. Five people were killed and 20 others injured in a blast in four-story building in Karachi, Pakistan. Pakistan embassy grieved over death in Jalalabad stampede. Journalist body strongly condemns sealing of office of leading dailies in India illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.